Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic afternoon. This is going to be yet another small unboxing that I wasn't planning on showing up today, but I want to get it up and share it with you guys. It's coming in from DLT Trading, and I want to thank first all the channel members. Thank you guys so much, and invite any of you guys that watch the videos, if you get the chance and are so inclined, if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll notify you when I upload videos that aren't planned, like these unboxings, and it'll also really help the channel out. So today we are going to unbox this little, I think it's a little fixed blade that I saw, and I'm going to use my Amazon unboxing knife. I'll start putting a link to this knife in my unboxings. I know I've got a link to it, an affiliate link to it on my review of it. I forget, it's the Amsler but it's a nice little tie knife, flipper only, frame lock on bearings, and it's a good little box opener. But let's get in here, make sure I don't dox myself. A little paper here. What do we got there? We got that. We got, let's see if we got a sticker. All right. So it is Knife October, or when this was ordered, it was still Knifetober. This is a knife I saw from Tops, USA manufacturer, on DLT, and I thought it was really cool. I thought it was something that was unique. I've got the Tops Bull Trout, and I really like that knife. This is, if I'm not mistaken, the Tops Crowhawk. Just some warranty instructions, little knife, little survivor whistle that comes on them. Don't ask me why. And I guess that cord, that's annoying. But I guess that cord is in case you want to wear it as a neck knife, which is not how I will. I will put an ulti-clip or some straps on it, probably. Let's see what we got here, though. So yeah, it's got a little, but that's a little neck deal, and I'm guessing this will break. It's like a safety release, so if somebody grabs it, it'll probably pop off. So that's pretty cool. So it does have the neck leash. It'll easily come off. But this is the Tops Crowhawk. I want to tell you what a cool little knife this is. And it is actually much, much cooler than I expected it to be. This is just an unboxing, but let's get some of this stuff out of the way. Let's look at this, just give you an idea. This is a Civivi Baby Banter, guys, next to the Crowhawk. That is, here is, I don't know if y'all saw me unbox the little Pyrite, but the Crowhawk is smaller than the Pyrite, and it's smaller than the Civivi Baby Banter. But it's a rugged little treated tool steel blade. I want to say it's 1095, could be, but I'm not exactly sure. You've got this G10, nice thick handle. You've got a lanyard loop, little skull cracker on the end. Nice finger choil. Kind of reminds me of my Chickadee in terms of the way I can hold it and grab up on that blade. It's a lot thicker. My pinky, it's a 3-finger knife with my pinky coming over the side. I'm really curious to get this sheath worked out and see how's the best way to carry it. The retention's great. There's no rattle. And it's not, hold on a second. It's not too heavy to wear as a neck knife. So that's always an option. But yeah, guys, this knife was under $100. I want to say it was, let me look at my little, I bought it at DLT. It was $89.95. And it's the Tops Crowhawk. No engraved. So you can pay a couple extra dollars to DLT and they will engrave it for you with something that you want on it. If you want your name, initial, something like that. Very sharp. I haven't stropped it. Just do some bite cuts. Great little Slurpee saver, if you needed it to be. But guys, a little made in America, tiny fixed blade. It's been a while since I've gotten a really small one that I might actually, carry every day. I've gotten some what I think are really cool fixed blades that I'll definitely carry. But from a utilitarian, get it done type of fixed blade, this is another made in the USA. Cool little banger. I'll do a full review on it coming up. This is just an unboxing, but when I saw how little it was, I was pleasantly surprised, and that's why I threw out the size comparisons. But guys, the Tops, fully jimped, fully handled, G10 handles that look like they're pinned. Those might be. I don't know if those are pinned or if those are screwed. They look pinned. Treated kind of like an Essie with that overspray coating. I don't know what you call that. You guys probably know. But yeah, the little Crowhawk is just a little banger. Let's real quick do a couple of size comparisons because I know they're close here. And I know they're knives that I like a whole lot. So let's look at it next to the Chickadee and next to my TKL Piranha. So you can see they all share about the same handle profile. The TKL Piranha gives you a little bit more to hold on to. That's why I love this knife, and I can highly recommend it. So you've got a little bit more blade, but the Chickadee and the Crowhawk are right around the exact same size. I am stoked. I think I'm going to put a belt loop on the Crowhawk. Maybe right here, and wear it appendix carry. Use this for my little micro J-cow instead of using that chain that I've been using on it. So guys, that is the Tops knives made in America Crowhawk unboxing. I hope you guys find it cool. I think they're in stock. You can Google them. I'm sure a lot of other places have them. I just happened to get them at DLT. I had a little bit of bucks there that I'd saved up from buying too many knives there. But guys, thank you for watching my content. I appreciate every one of you. I do invite you to subscribe to the channel if you would like to, and to hit that bell notification. It does really help the channel, helps the videos get out to more people. I mainly would love it if you'd look out just for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.